In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Update error 0x8007000D in Windows 11. First thing you want to do, go here and type in settings. And over here, you want to go to troubleshoot. So just type in troubleshoot. So here you'll see other troubleshoot settings, and you want to make sure you go to Windows Update. So if you run this troubleshoot from Windows Update, it will give you plenty of guide and solutions that you could follow it could help you fix your issue. So once you're done here, you can just close this down, and now you want to go to CMD, right click, run as administrator, and now we're going to run some commands. So first command is the health scan. So you want to type in dism/online/cleanup image/scan health and press enter. Then you want to write in dism online cleanup image restore health. Then type in ipconfig release. Then type in ipconfig renew. Then type ipconfig flush DNS. And then you want to type in the reset. So int ip reset. Then just do a quick scan that will fix any errors. So sfc/scan now. And after that, after the scan is finished, just restart your computer and you're done.